Hi, I'm Scott, and in today's video we're going to cover the lineup of call boxes that Ritron offers. We'll start by defining what a call box is. We'll explain the different models that we carry. We'll dive into some of the features and benefits of each. And then at the end, we'll come up with some typical customer applications and selling opportunities. A call box is literally a box, but built as a special purpose radio that's intended to communicate with existing two-way radio networks or perhaps even other call boxes. They are used in a variety of industries as a way for customers or employees or even visitors to communicate from a remote location to an existing radio network or central office. Ritron call boxes all use radio frequency technology, therefore have the advantage of being wireless, which allows for much more flexibility with installation and location. Ritron carries a variety of call boxes to meet different customer applications. This is our workhorse, the XT call box. Heavy duty with a fiberglass enclosure and steel faceplate. These are in use in rough environments and stand up to weather and harsh elements. Typical applications may be on a plant floor, a delivery dock, or gated entrance. These call boxes are available in VHF, both business band and MERS models, as well as UHF and analog. They're also available in NXDN and DMR digital protocols. Our next model is the Q series, shown here. That comes in high visibility green or a black polycarbonate case. This call box is often used on construction sites as a hoist intercom system and can also be used at loading docks, gated entrances, and even golf courses. These are also available in VHF, business band, and license-free MERS frequencies, as well as UHF and analog. We also have versions of NXDN and DMR digital protocol. One feature is that it's wireless. This means no trenching, means easier installation, and lower cost than a wired system. They also have durable exterior cases. This means that they stand up to the harsh conditions, weather, or environment. They also can be battery or AC powered. This gives flexibility of installation location. It can be remotely located and lower the overall install costs. They're also external antenna capable. This means that you can put an external antenna on it and improve your range in certain applications. Our call boxes also feature analog or digital capability. This means that they can be made to be compatible with your existing radio network. You choose the frequencies and protocols appropriate for your application. Some of our call boxes include built-in relays. These can be used for access control or gate access, as well as to light a strobe light. We also feature optional accessories like external keypad that can be used for gated access, as well as strobe lights for added visibility. The call boxes also feature PC or field programming. This allows you to turn on or off elements that are particular to your specific radio network. And they're also proudly made in the USA. This means that you're supporting USA design and manufacturing. Our call boxes are designed and built from the ground up as a special purpose radio, not just a portable radio dropped into a heavy-duty enclosure. These call boxes are used at gated entrances to factories, at loading docks, on a factory floor in safety applications, on golf courses to call for assistance or even order food, and on construction sites as hoist intercoms, to greet visitors at gated entrances, and in a wide variety of safety and production environments. Thank you for your interest in our line of American-made call boxes.